Okay, so one question Sridula sent me, and that question I have written here. The question is, if 8 to the power x plus 27 to the power x upon 12 to the power x plus 18 to the power x is equal to 7 by 6, then find the number of real values of x. Fine. So see what is its solution. This we can write, 8 we can write 2 to the power 3x, this 3 to the power 3x, this 2 square into 3x, this 3 square into 2x, and this is equal to 7 by 6. So this we can write 2 to the power 3x plus 3 to the power 3x upon 2 to the power 2x into 3 to the power x, 3 to the power 2x into 2 to the power x, and this is equal to 7 by 6. Let 2 to the power x as a and 3 to the power x as b. So this would be, we can write a cube 2x cube a cube, this is b cube, here a square b, and here a, this is a b square, this is equal to 7 by 6. Fine. Then cross multiplication, we get 6 a cube plus b cube equal to 7 a square b plus ab square. This we can write a cube plus b cube equals to 7, taking ab common, so a plus b, transposing this to left hand side, 6 a cube plus b cube minus 7 ab a plus b equals to 0. Here we can use the identity a cube plus b cube, and that is equal to a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. So here I am writing 6, it's at its place, a plus b, and then a square minus ab plus b square, and minus 7ab a plus b, this is equal to 0. Now a plus b is common, so if we take a plus b out and multiplying 6 inside, 6a square minus 6ab plus 6b square minus 7ab, and this is equal to 0. Then a plus b, here we will get 6a square minus, these two are like terms, 13ab plus 6b square equals to 0. A plus b, now factorizing this one, 36, 9 4 ja 36 and 9 4 13, 6a square 9ab minus 4ab plus 6b square equals to 0. A plus b here, taking 3a common, 2a minus 3b minus 2a common, 2a minus 3b equals to 0. So a plus b, taking common 2a minus 3b into 3a minus 2b equals to 0. Now three terms are there and their product is equal to 0. Therefore either a plus b equals to 0, which implies a equals to minus b. Now putting, okay, we will see it later, or 2a minus 3b equals to 0, we will get a equals to a by b equals to 3 by 2, or the third one, when 3a minus 2b equals to 0, right? So a by b we will get 2 by 3. So we have three values, this one, and this one. Now when putting the value, a I have taken 2 to the power x, right? So here 2 to the power x equals to minus 3 to the power x, or we can say 2x by 3x equals to minus 1, or we can say 2 by 3x equals to minus 1. Now it is never possible. Whatever be the value of x we will put here, we will never get a negative value. Fine, for the x real, so no value from here, no value of x. Now from the second one, a by b equals 3 by 2. a is 2x and b is 3x. 3 by 2, we can write 2 by 3 to the power x. 3 by 2, taking x as minus 1, or we can write 2 by 3x equals to 2 by 3 minus 1. So we get x equals to minus 1. Here we are getting one value. And then by equating this one, a by b equals to 2 by 3. a is 2x, 3x, 2 by 3. We can write 2 by 3x equals 2 by 3. So we get x as 1. So we are getting x of value of x 1 minus 1. So only two values we are getting, minus 1 and 1. And in the question it is asking find the number of real values of it, number. So 2, answer would be 2. And if it is asking about the value of x, then minus 1 and plus 1. Hope you can get it. Okay, bye, take care.